Hello, garden lovers. So this is where my fence project begins. I'm going to show you. So over here I have a 10-foot fence that I'm creating that would finish around here. So it's raining right now. I can't be out here too long because I don't want to get too wet. But anyhow, we're starting that fence. The fence will be the boards will be really like close together. We're not doing any gaps because the fence will continue. It's going to go down to a 6 foot here. The fence will continue here, but I have to wait for these to grow before I continue with the fence project, because all of this needs to grow and then I need to be able to transfer them out into the garden. Once that's done, I'm going to give a call back and then they're going to come finish this whole area. So all of this will be fence. 6 foot going to 10 foot. I have so many ideas for this project, guys. I'm anxious to get it done. So let's get working. One of the first things that I needed to do, is see all of these. I have these wires. I think this is TV. I'm not sure if it's the cable. So I have to come and dig this up because they're going to come in and drill some holes every 8 feet. So that would be one here. So I really needed to get this out of there. And there's another one here. But the thing is right now, see this? There's a huge root that is on top of this wire here that grew on top of it. I don't want to cut that huge root because it belongs to the tree here. See, all these little roots, it's fine to cut a few little roots, but the bigger roots, I'm not too keen about doing that because I don't want to affect his trees on his side. So the other 8 feet is around over here. And now I'm trying to get this out here. This was because I had a hedge, a cedar hedge, and this is what's left of it, and I got to take this whole thing out. So I've been digging at it. And once again, I think this wire is going through another huge root over here too, but they're going to be digging in this area, so we might be okay and clear that. I may have to, because the 8 feet is around here, I don't know how big this machine is. They might need a little bit of this out of its way. So I may have to say goodbye to the blue indigo and to the swamp milkweed here, and maybe this one. I'm not sure what this one is, but I might have to come in and we're going to forget about this part. 3 posts will be put in. My town asks for 6 feet, no more. But this, it's going to be more for privacy, so I figure, what the heck, I'll do it. If they say anything, I'll just have a part of the fence cut down, I guess. But for now, we're going to do this like this. I need to get that thing out of there. I did it. It's out. Ugh. That was a lot of work. Are you kidding me? There's another little piece here. On to the next step. They're here. They're here.
Talk to me. Can't get your tongue when we're talking